You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, English vocabulary, how to pronounce. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here as humorous. Now, sometimes the second m syllable, so let's break it down. Humorous, that's British English, humorous, a stress on the first syllable. Now, sometimes the second syllable, especially in American English, is a bit skipped and it's pronounced as humorous, as a mr. Humorous, that's how the Americans in particular pronounce it. Humorous or humorous. Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.